Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to take 2x2 photos on your iPhone. So as you know, your iPhone can only take one photo at a time. However, let's say you want a photo where you have one here, one here, one here. So in a 2x2 layout. So let me show you how to do this. Since iPhone does not have the capability to take 2x2 photos, we'll need to use a third-party app. And the app is called Instagram. Now everyone has an Instagram account. And with that, you can basically create 2x2 photos on it. So to do this, go ahead and open up your app store. Go ahead and search for Instagram. Go ahead and update it if there's an update on it. Now go ahead and open the app once it's updated. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign here to post a photo or a story. Now make sure story is selected. Now on the screen itself, you'll see this tools. From the tools, you need to find layout, which looks like this. Tap on this, then tap on change grid and go ahead and select the 2x2 layout. So there's many other different layouts which you can choose. However, for now, for this video, we want a 2x2 layout. So as you can see, this is the first box which we're going to take a picture on. So take a picture. Now the second box, we'll go ahead and take a picture. The third box, and then the fourth box. Now, as you can see, we've taken a picture of 2x2 with different pictures in each boxes. Once you're happy, tap on the tick and then go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right. And now you'll see this option to save. Go ahead and tap on save. And now once you do this, if you go to your camera roll, you'll see that image which you've created on Instagram on your camera roll. So there you go guys, that is how to take a 2x2 photo on your iPhone.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.